You looking for a top-notch metal workshop just under 35K? Well, stick around and we'll break it down for you. Hey Pack, welcome back. It's Eric from WolfSteel Buildings, and today we're going to showcase a 24 by 35 tubular structure out there in Justin, Texas, not that far from the office. We've been very popular in the area, the Justin Fairview area. I'm going to drop some quick shots here for you on the projects that we have completed so far. But going back to the main topic, let's see what 35K gets you. All right, we're going to break down the cost. We're going to give you a quick tour on this building as well. It has many cool features: the color combination, the overhead doors, the windows, the steel insulated door, the spray foam, and the concrete. So you guys make sure you stick around. But for our new viewers, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel and hit that notification button to stay updated on all WolfSteel building videos. All right, Pack, let's get straight to it. I'm going to give you guys the grand total project cost on this project out there in Justin. It is a tubular building. So the grand total is $34,342 with 50 cents. Now, what does that include? That includes the building, sales tax, building materials, delivery, install, the 1-inch spray foam, the concrete foundation, the frame outs for those two beautiful overhead doors, the windows, and the steel insulated door, and many cool upgrades to the building. All right, so let's break it down. Let's start with the dimension. But before I move along, don't forget this price is valid for 5 days after post date. All right, so let's get to it. Let's start off with the dimensions. It is a 24 wide, 35 long, 9 foot on leg height. And this is where the upgrades come in. We have an upgraded 412 pitch. We have upgraded orientation on the panels, which is from horizontal to vertical, right? These are 29 gauge vertical panels on the sides and ends, and for our A-frame vertical roof as well. Now, if we're talking about colors, we're looking at quaker gray on the roof, pewter gray on the sides and ends, the base trim as well, the color screws, and we have a black trim and black gutters and downspouts. Now, since this is vertical upgraded on the sides and ends, we have to add additional framing. In this case, we do have our 14 gauge tubular framing, which is our standard for our tubular buildings. You can always upgrade it to 12 gauge, but something to keep in mind, all of these tubular buildings are built to WIN certify and your local codes. But let's talk about those two beautiful overhead doors. Unfortunately, we did not provide the doors or the installation. Our client did, but something that we do here at WolfSteel Building is that we can provide the frame outs for your accessories. In this case, this 10 by 9, which is the front one, the brown one, and then the 6 by 7, that's the glass overhead door on the side of the building. But they are beautiful. If this is something that you're looking for, have a workshop or office space, and there's many options you can explore. It's something that you and your sales team pack member could talk about. You could talk about the dimensions, the kind of door that you want, and if there's something feasible that we can do for you. The only thing that I can say right now on screen is that we can always provide you with the frame outs to your building. You have your accessories needed, right? Now, some of the accessories that we did provide is that 1-inch spray foam. Hopefully on screen you're watching those cool drone shots inside the building. When I went to go see this building, he just laid out that epoxy flooring. Again, he did do his epoxy flooring alongside those overhead doors, but we did do the 1-inch spray foam on the walls and roof. It looks very nice. Hopefully you're enjoying these shots about on the epoxy flooring and those fans that he put as well. These are some knockoff fans from the big brand, Big Ass Fans. He did say he got them at Home Depot. They range around from $200 to $400. All right, Pack, I just giving you guys a rundown on the total project cost, which was just under 35K. Now I'm gonna break it down a little bit further. The building alone with everything that comes with the building, which was the upgraded roof pitch, the upgraded vertical panels, color screws, the base trim, the walk-in door, the 36 by 84, the 7 windows, the open frame outs for those overhead doors. We're looking at a price of $20,615 with 50 cents building alone. Now let's break it into the gutters and downspouts with the 1-inch spray foam. We're adding a price of $5,455 with 0 cents. Now for the concrete foundation alone, that is a 4-inch slab with perimeter footers, 1 cross internal beam, vapor barriers. We're looking at a total price of $11,392 with 0 cents. And that brings us back to our total project cost of just under $35K pack. Now, if you're looking to explore the red iron option, I'll give you guys the same dimensions, the same concrete foundation, the same windows, the same 2 open frame outs, and the spray foam. We're looking at a price of $52,606 with 44 cents. Now let's put that up on the screen. On the left-hand side, I'll have my tubular price, and then on the right-hand side, we'll have the red iron cost. So you guys at home can visualize the price difference and compare the two between the tubular and the red iron option. Again, pack, all of our sales pack members here at WolfSteel Buildings will provide you 2 different quotes to whatever fits your budget for your new endeavor in regards to a metal building. Well, there you have it, pack. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour on this 24 by 35 tubular structure out there in Justin, Texas. I love going out to Justin. We've been very popular out there. Every time I go out there, I stop at my favorite restaurant, which is Portillo's. Portillo's, if you guys are watching, I wouldn't mind if you guys had some free food out here to the office in Fort Worth. I highly doubt it, but if you happen to watch or someone knows that works there, just let them know that Eric from WolfSteel Buildings is a Chicago native, and I do love going to Portillo's. I love having a good Italian beef with some peppers. But anyways, if you guys are looking or you're in the market to buy a metal building, please make sure to reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to help you out. We do count with 6 different sales pods. That's the Alpha Wolves, the Dream Team, the A Team, the Texas Lobos, the Quote Busters, and let's not forget about the Shadow Wolves. We'll be more than happy to help you out, guys. Again, this is Eric signing out from WolfSteel Buildings, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.